By the end of this video, you will know how to set up a referral fee in Clio Manage. Once you are logged in to Clio Manage, go to the left navigation menu and click Contacts. This opens the area where you can view the people and organizations saved in your account. From here, locate the contact or client for whom you want to add the referral information. Take a moment to make sure you are opening the correct record before making changes. When you find the right contact, click Edit next to that contact. This will open the Edit Contact page where you can update the details attached to that record. On this page, scroll down until you reach the Custom Fields section. Depending on how the page is displayed in your account, this section may already be open. If it is collapsed, expand Custom Fields so you can view the available entries. Under the General area, find a field labeled Referral Source. Open the Referral Source drop-down and select the appropriate referral source for this contact. Make sure you choose the option that matches the source you want recorded, since this is the value that will be saved to the contact record. Just below the Client Since and Referral Source fields, locate the Referral Fee field. This is where you will enter the amount associated with the referral fee for that contact. Click into the field and type the referral fee amount. Check the value once before saving so the amount is entered as intended. After the referral source and referral fee have both been added, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Contact. Clio Manage will save the updates to the contact record. If the page takes a moment to refresh, wait for it to finish before continuing. To confirm that the details were saved, open the contact again. Review the contact information and check that both the referral source and the referral fee are still visible in their fields. This final check helps confirm that the record now reflects the information you entered and that the changes were stored correctly. Thanks for watching. The contact now has the selected referral source and referral fee saved in Clio Manage.